Hey everybody, we've got one of my favorite cars right here, a 1975 Buick LeSabre. I love this one in particular for one, the colors. It has 28,000 actual miles on it. These cars drive like a dream. I had all three grandkids in the back seat and there was room for a fourth one. Just a fantastic car, original, documented, born with the wheels, born with the hard boot, air conditioning. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here, along with information, pictures, videos, financing. That's at volocars.com. There's a QR code on your screen. You can scan at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car. So will the link in our description. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, we have amazing cars here, and I don't know if you would think that a 75 Buick would be one of my favorites, but it truly is. I love this car. Matter of fact, I bought it at a show and I unloaded it off the trailer, and the next morning I went and picked up the grandkids. We went cruising all day. The body is clean, dry, straight, original, not dented up, doesn't have the garage scrapes that sometimes they get. All this is nice. No rust, believed to be original paint. And it shines beautifully. It's all nice, clean, straight. There's a little nick here and there, little chip. There's a couple right here, but really the car presents beautifully. All of this straight, clean, rust-free. All these fillers, the plastic fillers, are in excellent shape. They're not cracked or broken whatsoever. All nice, clean. Look here behind the tire. The moldings all fit beautifully. Just a very well cared for car. Look at here's remains of an old paper oil change sticker. Remember those? The rubber seals are original and they're still pliable. All the weather strips here, soft. So the body and paint presents itself really, really well. The chrome does too. These mirrors are always pitted. That's beautiful. The stainless is clean. The windshield is real clear. All the stainless moldings are shiny. The bumper's shiny. Even the rubber rub strips are in really nice shape. They're not banged up or beat up. The whole grill, the emblems, good ornament, all that's looking really nice. I really like the wheels, and they're on the build sheet. This car was ordered like you see it. Those are the 15-inch, I call them GS style mag wheels that Buick had. They're in excellent shape. They're wearing some American classic radial tires with a nice big wide white strip. The louvers here are real nice. It's a white convertible power top in excellent shape. Original metal door edge guards are still there and they're not banged up. The hard boot on the build sheet as well. This was an option. You don't see this too often. You see it on the Eldorados, but the matching hard boot, there's a bag that it goes in. So the emblem on the side says LeSabre Custom. Custom is like deluxe. This emblem is where it was sold new, Art Hauk Buick in St. Louis. The back bumper and the rub strip, tail lights, all that's in excellent shape. Beautiful car. Let's open it up. I got more to show you. You know what else is great about these cars? They're roomy. You cannot get a car like this, not a convertible like this. You got room for all your chairs and coolers. Okay, beautiful clean paint, original stickers, working trunk light. The jamb is nice and clean. The weather strip is still soft. Now, I geek out over this. This is the factory spatter finish, not out of the spray can. Look how pristine it is. Look at the inside of the quarters. I love this trunk compartment. That's original. Look at the jack. It's like it's never been out of the car. It has a matching GS Mag style wheel for a spare. It's got a good tire on it. This might be one of the original tires off the car that they decided to put back here as the spare. So this is pristine. This is like a time capsule in here. Even the cardboard over the tail lights, absolutely mint. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. You cannot get a full-size convertible. You can't unless you go to a Rolls-Royce or Bentley, and you better have at least 300,000 to spend. And still, the back seat isn't as big as this. The interior is in excellent shape. It's the white and red interior. The door panels are mint, has the wood grain trim. Plastic's really nice. It's a joystick for the remote mirror and power windows. Now the dash area is all pristine. This is not yellowed or broken. Look how clean everything is. Now it's a climate control. You just set the temperature and it'll do everything else for you. The gauge is excellent, 28,754 miles. And that's actually a speed warning. Wherever you set that, it'll buzz and let you know, hey, you're going too fast. You put that wherever you want it. That was an option. AM/FM stereo, that was an option. Original lighter. All this is clean. Extra set of keys. Digital clock, which did stop working, but that was an option. All this is nice, not beat up. All nice, all the lights work. Now this is the original carpet. Look how nice that is. I know it's original. We lifted the carpet and we found 2 paper build sheets. There's pictures of them on our website. 2 pieces of paper from 1975 were still intact underneath this carpet. Now the white seats with the fold down armrest, very comfortable, still nice and plump and in excellent shape. And I tell you what, on a hot day, these white seats stay nice. Where black, you can burn yourself on the black seats. Back here, and we got red seat belts front and back. Look how roomy this is. I even put a picture on our website, all 3 grandkids in back, and plenty of room. Side panels, all looking really nice. The interior is pretty much mint. The visors are still excellent. The mirror is crystal clear. Steering wheel's not worn. We got a couple more options here. We have cruise control, and we have a tilt lever. And it's a 6-way power seat down here. It's another option as well. Nice car, isn't it? And I tell you what, there's never been anything like these big mid-70s boats, and there never will be again. They just float down the road. You got to experience it. So that's the original 350 motor that just runs like a Rolex watch. Absolutely smooth as can be. HEI ignition, air conditioning, all serviced, all working. I think the clock may be the only thing on the car not working. All nice, clean, updated with 134 Freon. Still has the overflow bottle, the factory shroud, original sticker, HEI ignition, power steering. And look at all the ductwork, the horns. Everything is intact the way it should be. There's the cruise control. You got power brakes. Just a clean Survivor engine compartment. Michael's going to take you for a drive, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
This car is an absolute sweetheart. Love everything about her. Could have such a nice time cruising around all day with the top down. And only 28,755 miles shown on the odometer. Very precise steering. And what a comfortable seat too. This bench is no joke. I want to lay down and take a nap. Let's see what she's got. doing 60 miles an hour. She didn't miss a beat. Spot on. Transhift's nice. Engine revs out. Real good. If you want to see all the options and functions on here working, check out our reel that we do on our website or on YouTube. I'm excited to see if the speed binder works. It's really cool, as is the rest of the car. So if you'd like to come out and take it for a spin, see how fabulous it is, you're always more than welcome here at the museum. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
Everyone here knows how much I love this car. I've been telling everybody it's amazing, it's great. So they've been finding me other ones. They haven't found this car. They're sending me cars they find online that are white with brown interior, baby blue car with hubcaps, Oldsmobiles and that. This one right here with this combination of colors, options, wheels, the hard boot, this one is special. And when I say back from a car show, we bought 4 cars there. We each hauled 2. This is the one I took. There's a $100,000 Chevelle convertible, some other cool stuff, a Challenger. This is the one I was most excited about. So underneath is absolutely phenomenal for a Survivor car. It has its original paint on the floors they left the factory with, and it's very clean. It's primered floors, a little bit of factory undercoat in places, and again, absolutely dry, rust-free metal. All the service, or all the suspension, steering, brakes, it's all been serviced, maintained as needed. Disc brakes in front. The exhaust system still has a catalytic converter. It may be the original exhaust. The muffler has the GM part number on it. The fuel tank is still clean, and again, just very, very nice, dry underneath. The bottom of the motor is clean. Turbo 350 automatics, actually VIN number matched to the car still, of course. Has a cruising gear in the back end. So this one right here is special. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions. Get your car delivered home. You better measure your garage though. Thanks for watching.